So, Jeroen van Erp, I work at SUSE and I'm a technical advocate at SUSE, so it's my responsibility to actually talk about our products. We of course are known for SUSE Linux, which is an enterprise-grade Linux, highly secure, highly trusted. Then on top of that we actually have SUSE Rancher, which is our Kubernetes management platform, which actually manages clusters everywhere. Be it in one of the big hyperscalers, be it on-premise, hybrid cloud, it's fully managed from a single pane of glass. And on top of that we have a bunch of capabilities. SUSE Observability, to actually get that multi-cloud hybrid overview of everything that's running in your clusters and how it's behaving. Is it healthy? Is it performant? And then we have SUSE Security, to actually secure everything, secure that entire IT ecosystem that you have. It doesn't matter if it's on-premise, it doesn't matter if it's in the cloud, everything can be managed from a single pane of glass with all of our Kubernetes-enabled products. So we use it actually the first time here at Kubecon for bringing out our SUSE Rancher Day and actually getting people hands-on experience with the entire SUSE portfolio. The goal of SUSE Rancher Day was actually give the community, because of course we're here at Kubecon, we have a big community gathered here, to actually give them an insight into what SUSE Rancher Prime actually offers on top of just open source community-based Rancher. So all the features that you get on top of it and the experience that you get there. It was a pretty big workshop. We had about 100 participants that were actually live in the environment, and then there were a bunch that actually didn't have laptops with them and were just there to listen to us present and see the labs on stage. We used to have a homegrown solution. It's hard to maintain, outdated, and with Instruqt we actually have a very capable industry standard platform to actually deliver these hands-on labs. So we now did it in a hands-on lab in person with presenters. Our goal is actually for the coming year to also deliver these as digital versions, self-paced trainings on our entire solution. Basically a great interface to build our labs in, easy to set up. There's no need to actually manually spin up all the machines. We have hot starts available, and we've got actually great tools to see where the participants are, if they're keeping up, if they're falling behind. It actually gave us some direct feedback whether we're at the right pace, well, with presenting and with going through these labs, because we also presented the same lab on screen so that they could follow with us. To give a hands-on experience for these participants, it is pretty important because we've got a big portfolio. We just added SUSE Observability, the acquisition that we did earlier this year. It's a fairly new product for people here, and actually bringing that together as the entire solution and give people the hands-on experience, I think that's what makes the difference with getting them onboarded. So overall, it was received very well. We do rodeos also, which are our bigger online events where we also have instructor-led trainings. We want to utilize Instruqt for the same thing. And then all the self-paced trainings, basically getting community members. We have Rancher Community, which is our open source Rancher version, which people can just download. And having Instruqt there as a tool to actually teach them how to use it, how to optimally set it up, that's actually great. Well, onboarding onto Instruqt was pretty easy. We actually had very good guidance, partly also probably because I know the founder, I know the CEO. We came from the same company, so that gave us a slight advantage in actually getting our hands on Instruqt and being able to just ask questions if there were things unclear or features that we wanted to see. And then overall, as a platform, it was very easy to onboard, right? It's a bunch of markdown files, a bunch of shell scripts. There's no need to tie into anything specific in Instruqt. There's no need to call specific Instruqt-based APIs. Everything is just, well, as if you were developing for your own homegrown machine. It's a great experience.